Oh, lock your car, man. Nilock nyo na yung kotse nyo. Andito si G. Tinignan ko kung nakalaki yung kotse. Hindi masyado mahangin to. a Willow Trail.
We're going on the March Trail.
Okay, over here.
Yeah. There's more to the trail.
Yeah.
Have you been here already?
Yeah.
Oh,
I've been here many times.
really?
Yeah. This is a good place to walk
Mm.
because you see the trail.
Yeah,
They have things.
I know they have like built-in walking places.
Uh-huh.
That's cool.
Yeah. And a lot of bushes, you know.
Yeah.
They used to have water here, but now it's dried.
There's no more water.
No more water.
Mm.
Grabe.
Just straight ahead.
Yeah, Uncle John walk, huh?
They're first.
Yeah. That's good, huh? You know,
Yeah, at least they're walking.
he needs it.
I know. Should have a treadmill. Or I don't think he uses his treadmill though.
No, I don't think so. He's giving it to me.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow.
I don't need it.
You don't need it either?
Too big.
Oh. You got a skinny treadmill now.
Huh?
I think my mom found a treadmill
Oh,
somewhere.
yeah?
Yeah, we have it in our garage now.
Oh, yeah, good. I got a stationary bike
Oh,
in,
really?
in my room.
Oh,
So I use it every day.
really?
So strong, you make your knees stronger.
True.
And walking.
It's fun to go on that.
Yeah.
To watch a movie at the same time.
Yeah. This is good exercise.
Yeah. If I had one, I would walk it.
Yeah.
I like the little road they have on it.
Yeah. Last time, remember, we climbed to the mountain.
Oh, you climbed?
Yeah.
Did you do the expert
We didn't.
one?
We didn't go there.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they don't want to go up to the mountain.
Did you go with Uncle Alan?
Huh? Yeah. You know.
Oh. Where are we now?
Over there, right there.
I
That's
don't know where mom is.
They're taking a picture of.
I know. There's more over here. That sounds nice.
This is nice, huh?
Yeah. Just don't like the ants.
Yeah.
Scary.
Yeah, it's scary. You can bring food. You know, there's a table there.
Picnic?
Yeah.
Did you go on all the trails here?
Yeah.
Wow.
You go up that mountain, and then all the way down there, and then coming back here, we got lost
Oh, really?
in Alan.
You didn't get a map?
No.
You could hike up the mountain too.
Yeah. That's the one.
Oh.
Go up there.
Oh, I used Grandma's bowling ball.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Oh,
I
cool.
got 3 strikes.
Really?
Yeah.
That's good. It's still working good.
Yeah, it's a
The
good ball.
Yeah.
Even my friend likes
It's,
it.
it's not that heavy, huh?
No, it's perfect.
Yeah.
It's a good
I
size.
wonder how many pounds? Like 11 or 9?
Maybe 9.
9, huh?
Because there's an 8 ball, but it's like the 8 ball's lighter than Grandma.
Yeah, yeah.
Maybe 9 or 10. I don't know.
Yeah, maybe on 9 or 10. That's what I.
Yeah.
I like the sun now.
Yeah.
Coming out.
I don't know. Probably still all the way over there, huh?
You go the other way.
Yeah. Oh, maybe.
Yeah. Just stay on the path, you know.
Yeah.
Don't get lost.
I want to see a mountain lion. You said they have.
Yeah, but mountain lion, they scared when you make noise. But if you don't make noise, they will attack you.
Oh. Never mind. Wow, I walk this at my house. I would walk it every day. This is
Yeah, I know.
not bad.
It's nice too, huh?
It has a good pathway.
Yeah. Yeah, they made it.
Not bad.
There's a lot of like this in Palm Springs.
Yeah, must be.
You should go to Taquits and creek. Here with the waterfalls.
Oh, really? They have
Yeah,
one for walking?
yeah. It's not big waterfall, but it's like small one.
What do you know? I know, yeah.
What are they doing?
They're looking at hummingbirds.
I've seen similar setups.
They have to stand still, or else they won't come.
Yeah, pretty much.
Oh, they have food and water.
And then there's the mountain lion.
see,
Did you
they'll
see the
start
mountain lion?
coming.
They're wearing fans. Oh, did you see the mountain lion? Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Look, mountain lion.
Watch out!
Oh, you scared. Yeah, totally. I know.
Watch out for the mountain lion, Joseph.
Mountain lion.
Right here on the roof.
What happens
On the
if
roof.
you see one? Don't run.
I got my pepper spray that Daniel gave me.
Oh, yeah. You got it.
Go like this.
Here, Daniel. Look here.
Yeah.
Big bird.
I don't know what they are, but those yellow.
See, that's where they sit during the night and then,
And they praise to hail Satan.
yeah.
Oh, there's bird right there. Blackhead.
Oh, I hadn't seen that one until just now.
They're hiding in the bushes because they know we're here.
They waited for the humans to leave.
bird.
Go for you first.
Ah, yeah.
Oh, just sit by the
Yeah, don't move.
Oh, there's the black kid. Oh, yeah.
Oh, I see this. The flesh going in.
Oh my god, he's just like hopping. Oh, there's. Oh, there's the yellow one.
But slowly moving. John should sit over there. That's where the cults up go. And they have a talking stick. People sitting around.
Look at all the birds. They're eating the thing. You have to stand still, and then they'll start coming. And they're behind. Oh, they're coming. Oh! Wow.
Alin, picture tayo dito. Alin, picture tayo dito lang.
Everybody?
Dito sa...
Where's my daughter? Tiffany. Come over here, daughter.
Si Carolan muna magpa-picture. Carolan.
Akin na. Picturean ko kayo.
You want me to get this?
No, I'm scared. Alin dito, Kailin.
Oh, come on, Alan, extra. No, you're still behind that margin there.
Careful! Dahan-dahan lang. Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's pretty. Look at that. Purple. That's what you're talking about?
And it's not the trail anymore.
Oh, it's random?
Yeah.
Oh, maganda doon, no? Magpa-picture doon.
That's not a trail?
No.
Yeah.
No, it doesn't go through all the way.
Tingnan natin. Men,
Oh, you can go up there. It doesn't go through though.
So it's definitely worth it doing 2 U-turns.
What a way to find your.
Oh, Daniel, what we
That's steep.
That's going up to the mountain.
This one? This is a trail?
I mean, the trail goes that way. That's not really a trail up there.
Oh, that'd be so easy to go upstairs.
Keep moving up. This area is closed.
It's close.
Wow, right behind the bushes it says area closed.
Yep.
Yeah. I
Imagine if we didn't see that.
You just got one at mine.
High fire danger.
You're high fire danger.
Put that in my backpack.
Got shadows from. Oh, look, all the hiking.
It's funny, you're like, we went that way and got lost last time.
Yeah.
A minute later, I see Margie and Joseph going that way.
Well, I told them. Just wanted to take pictures.
nice view doon.
Hey.
We wanted to go to the top of the hill, but the sign says we can't.
Ah, really?
Why? What's wrong?
You wanna go
Because
up there?
people are gonna fall.
That's why they put the logs there to
Oh.
prevent people from
Yeah.
walking up. It says it's a protected area. They don't want you to step on
Oh,
lizards, I
okay.
guess.
Oh, look. It's
There.
that? That's steep.
Yeah, it looks hard, but it looks like a challenge.
Mhm. I'll do it.
I know you will.
I was about to. I'm trying to get us inside.
But you're at Disney World.
Yeah, we're doing a project.
Wala sa mga to. Danger, ano doon? Warning.
Oh, I forgot. Today is 311 day. There's a band called 311. Today is March 11th. Generation X band. Kind of like.
Ay, there's a crab. There are. Ayan, oh, come here. Yeah. No.
Frogs are over there. Yeah.
Hello.
Moving or is this?
In the water. In the middle of the water. The log. Piece of wood.
It's a log. We're losing the frog though.
It's a lot.
It's a piece of wood. But it does look like a frog going like this.
With Uncle Alan.
Hey, look here. Aldred, look. Look here. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, one more here.
What are you doing, Tiffany? Training
One
you
more.
doll?
One smile. Tayo din, Arlene. Tayo din. Like
What the adults now?
mahulog.
So I stay here.
Arlene,
you
come
There you go.
Ano?
Oh, take her.
Just ask someone else.
Okay, now move.
Don't push me. If you push me, I'm gonna fall.
Daniel,
Yes.
come on. Senior citizens. Oh, you're here. Couple. Come here.
Okay, okay, I'm coming.
Oh, Uncle Alan want me to take it?
Hand me the water bottle.
Kanino first?
Doesn't matter. Uncle Alan go
1,
first.
2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
My turn. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
I use this like every day.
Oh, you record?
Meli, ano mo?
Yeah, it's recording. I took pictures. You wanna be in it?
Si Uncle Alan mo pala.
Yeah.
Alam.
I know what you're gonna do.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. There you go.
So I did a
Thank
search
you.
for this rock,
Yeah.
and it says it's limestone, but I took it for granted.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Kunan mo kang picture ni Jojo sa ni Camille.
Oh yeah. Come here, like a. Daniel. Oh.
Nagadong ka.
Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Smile.
Wait, let me take one. Let me take one with my camera off.
That's weird.
I want to portrait.
It's trying to sell me a rock texture painting.
Hey, where's that stick, by the way?
Don't even try it.
Where'd the stick go?
I threw it back into the wild.
Where? Yeah, I ran into a bush.
You wanna see an old car?
Oh. Look! A car crash!
Yes. In the middle of nowhere.
Bullet hole. Oh my god.
It literally said, the sign says no vehicles, only feet after this area.
See the bullet thing?
That's
The
cool.
bullet holes?
Wonder what happened to my Volkswagen? That's old. That's before Volkswagen.
Yeah,
Dang.
someone probably didn't crash. They probably just threw it.
That's very old Volkswagen.
No, that's
See
before
all the
Volkswagen.
bullet hole right there.
Yeah.
It's your target.
Yeah.
Try to close the door.
Well, I don't know. Will you give me $5? Yeah. Closed it.
You should have messed with that.
Like somebody shooting.
Bonnie and Clyde's car.
Bonnie and Clyde. Ha? Oh, yan yung kotse.
Let's go picture dyan tayo.
We just witnessed a crime scene.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Bonnie and Clyde car.
Oh
That'd
god.
be hilarious.
Don't break that.
Oh.
Don't break it. You and your brother can break your stuff.
Whoa, LJ, careful.
Dude, I was actually about to fall. I was really good. I was gonna get off my feet. Whoa, whoa. It's like the wind blowing over, man. It's too.
Find the tree, I'll give you $5.
Hey, what's the pirate's favorite letter? Well, a lot of people might think it's R. It's really a C.
$5 to drink the water. Okay, $2 you jump in.
Go up that trail. No.
$3 if you jump in.
Be careful.
Oh, he went off trail.
Where's my $5?
Where's the narc number?
The mountain line's good. They said not to go off trail or else the mountain line.
Okay. Okay, where we gonna go? Canyon
9
Trail,
mile round trip. Let's go there.
Mesquite Trail, or where?
We already went there.
No, we haven't gone this way.
Yeah, we already done this day.
You go that way?
This one's a 9-mile round trip, both of them.
Uh-huh, both of them. Round
We
trip.
should wait for the rest of the group, guys, before we decide.
Shh.
Hey, kids, wait for the parents. They're not here yet. You don't want the mountain lion to eat you, do you?
Yeah. This is a nice looking trail. Let's go. I saw it though. Damn it.
Yeah, like Cocaine Bear. I want to watch Cocaine Bear.
I think this is going back there now.
Probably where they want to go.
Mm-hmm.
It's the suspect.
Watch your step.
Okay, which side do you want to go? There's a trail right there.
Back this way, I think.
It's
We gotta
back
go this way. That one's the expert route.
Yeah, that one
long
goes.
Expert.
Well, it's
We
like
could
the.
go back around,
Oh.
or unless we want to go there.
Or just go over there and come back. Is there
We
anything
can
up there?
go here. It's mostly
Just
desert and
desert?
along
Oh, we
the
don't want
thing.
We're
It's I don't know.
How about up there?
I haven't been there in a while, so I
It's
don't
not
Why
remember.
don't we just walk a
Nothing in
little?
there.
Why don't we just walk a little and then come back?
Yeah, it's nothing in there.
Let's just walk a little.
Let's go see.
You guys want to go on the ridge?
Where's the top? Is it high?
Take that tree.
Remember when?
Oh, we saw those people? We saw those
Yeah.
people? Is this the way or is it
No,
the
it's back that way.
back that way?
I think everybody blows their bodies here.
Oh, it's a little. I just like the shape. I don't want to do
It's nothing in here, no.
Get out of my way! Watch your back! I hear a storm!
Is there a mountain lion?
No, it's there near the bird.
I have to take it!
Nothing.
Round to the right.
Oh, and back to that thing.
Yeah,
But you have to go up?
You have to go up to the mountain.
You go
Yes.
like on the side of me.
Oh, it's around?
But you have to climb. Yeah.
There's not an escalator? Or an elevator?
If we run into a mountain lion, I will throw this rock at it. Make it even angrier.
Wala na kayo, Roland.
Mambo na eh. Wala naman dun eh. Ang labas mo nun sa other side of the mountain na.
Balik na tayo.
Tsaka meron dito yung gas pipeline eh.
Ha?
May gas pipeline dito. I've been here many times.
You want to go down that way. You want to go on the ridge.
Wasn't it closed? No.
Going up the mountain.
Oh, see, a high pressure gas pipeline.
Daniel.
Yeah.
That's good.
There's nothing there.
I heard there's a magical banana over there. It gives you like 5 times the potassium. Or is that Discord message? Yeah. Why would it be?
Like, I was scared. He was like right there. Oh, it's long.
Maybe poisonous.
Oh, God.
Oh, stop.
He turns around and goes, shh. Eat him. No fun. Wait, you guys want to
Oh,
laugh?
he's moving now. Anong klaseng snake yun? Chef? Ano siya? Stripe siya eh.
Yan, yellow, white and black.
Mamaya doon may mga picture.
Baka ano yan, snake na yung ano.